I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 14, WBS categories. Objective: student will learn how to create WBS categories and assign them to WBS node. WBS categories. WBS nodes can be assigned to categories so that WBS nodes within a project or activity can be grouped and sorted. WBS categories are assigned from WBS nodes by inserting the WBS categories column in the WBS window. Here are the steps on how to create WBS category. Step 1. Select admin, then admin categories. Step 2. Add WBS categories. Step 3. Select View menu, columns, then Customized. Step 4. Select General, columns, then WBS category. Step 5. Assign category to WBS. Step 6. Activities window, group and sort. Welcome to our class exercise. We will create 3 WBS categories: design, procurement, and construction. We will assign them to the WBS node. Finally, we will use the group and sort by functions to organize the activities. Let's have a look how it works in P6. Let's select Admin menu, then Admin categories. The Admin Categories dialog box opens. Select WBS category. Click Add. Type Design. Click Add. Type Procurement. Click Add. Type Construction. Click Close. Let's add a column. Select View menu. Then Columns. Customize. Select General. Then WBS category. Click OK. WBS category column appears. Assign the Design WBS category. You can use the Fill Down tool. Assign Procurement. You can use the Fill Down tool. Assign Construction. Go to Activities window. Click Group and Sort icon. Change Group by Column to WBS category. On second row, add WBS. Check the indent box. Click OK. WBS category now added on the band. This concludes our lesson. Thank you very much.